Get your home ready for an upcoming event in just a few taps. Tap your phone, lights on. Change them with Alexa or Google, "Hey Alexa, turn on party lights." Whether it's the 4th of July or Christmas, never climb on a ladder again. This trim lights come with a 40-year warranty. It not only adds to the home value, but it pays for itself in 3.5 years when compared with hiring professional installers. Virtually unlimited color and animation options make it a no-brainer. But the best thing is, it syncs with music. No more wasting hundreds or thousands on unreliable and dangerous portable lights when you can get permanent exterior lighting professionally installed on homes and businesses. Great to accent your home or light up for holidays, birthdays, or any event you'll have. We also have the option of downlighting that works with the Trimlight app. Click below to get a free quote.